अब हम बात करेंगे न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट। द कार्बन ऑक्सीजन एंड हाइड्रोजन आर predominant element of the plant. The plant obtain this element from CO2 and water. ये प्लांट ऑब्टेन करते हैं एलिमेंट को फ्रॉम CO2 से और वाटर से. देयर आर मैनी अदर मिनरल एलिमेंट्स प्रेजेंट इन द कंपोजिशन ऑफ प्लांट. देयर आर नाइट्रोजन, इसमें नाइट्रोजन होती है, फास्फोरस होती है और मैग्नीशियम और आयरन होती है. नाइट्रोजन जो होती है ये प्रेजेंट होती है प्रोटीन के अंदर, फास्फोरस ये प्रेजेंट होती है ATP के अंदर, न्यूक्लिक एसिड एंड मैनी अदर. उसमें मैग्नीशियम प्रेजेंट होता है क्लोरोफिल में और आयरन प्रेजेंट होती है साइटोक्रोम के अंदर. सोर्स ऑफ मिनरल एलिमेंट सोइल इज द मेन सोर्स ऑफ दिस न्यूट्रिएंट्स. दिस न्यूट्रिएंट्स आर एसेंशियल फॉर द ग्रोथ एंड लाइफ ऑफ द प्लांट. इफ क्रॉप्स आर ग्रोन repeatedly on the same field, these crops cannot flourish. Soil must be replenished with these nutrients. The farmer use animal manure, sewage, sludge or artificially fertilized for this replenishment. Thus, these materials are used in measured quantity in this field. Such chemicals fertilized used in the commonly Pakistan are urea, superphosphate, ammonium nitrate. Mineral element of deficiency. If it is difficult to determine the effect of individual minerals in both plant and animals. However, the deficiency of some elements causes serious disease. This disease show clear symptoms. If there is a deficiency of nitrogen in soil, the growth of the plant is stunted. The deficiency of nitrogen also causes chlorosis, mostly in old leaves. The lack of the chlorophyll in the leaves is called chlorosis. The deficiency of phosphorus causes stunted growth of the root. The color of the leaf margin become yellow and brown due to the deficiency of potassium in soil. It may early death of the plant. अच्छा, द डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ मैग्नीशियम काज क्लोरोसिस. अच्छा, ये भी हो गया. अब ये कह रहा है कि देयर फॉर द डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ मिनरल काज मैनी इंपॉर्टेंट प्लांट डिजीज. ये बहुत सी इंपॉर्टेंट प्लांट डिजीज काज करता है. दिस डिजीज हैव बीन कैटलॉग्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द कलर फोटोग्राफी. द कैटलॉगर्स हेल्प अस टू diagnose the disease. The plants generally obtain their food from the air or water. However, there are following special method of nutrition. The feeding on dead and decaying matter is called saprotrophic nutrition. This decaying matter include dead leaves in the soil and rotting tree trunks. The saprotrophic plant produce extracellular enzyme. This enzyme digests and decay the matter. Then the plant absorbs the soluble products into their cells. Some bacteria break down the proteins of the dead plant and animals. They release nitrates. The root of the plant absorb these nitrates. The plant synthesize new amino acids and protein from these nitrates, so they play a role in nitrogen cycle. ये नाइट्रोजन साइकिल में एक इम्पोर्टेंट रोल करता है. इसी तरह पैरासाइटिक न्यूट्रिशन होता है. द फीडबैक the feeding by living in or any other organism belonging to the different species called parasitic nutrition. The parasite attach with the living host. The parasite penetrate the sucker into the conducting tissue of the host and absorb food. Pseudomonas is a parasitic fungi. It destroys the wheat plant. Dodecastroca is a leafless plant. It lives has a twinning parasite. ये twinning parasite के तौर पर रहता है. Symbiotic nutrients. It is a mutual nutrition between the organisms belonging to different species living in association with one another. Some important examples are leeches, mycorrhizae, and root noodles. Leeches. The association between the fungus and algae cell is called leeches. The algae make food for photosynthesis. The fungus supply water and minerals. It also protect algae from desiccation. The association between the fungus and root of the higher plant is called mycorrhizae. The fungus depend upon the photosynthesis of plant. The benefit derived by the are properly understood. However, the plant with the organisms show better growth than without this association. Possibly, the fungus decompose the organic material in the soil for the plant. It also provide water and mineral like phosphorus to plant. The leguminous plant develop noodles on their roots. Their noodles contain nitrogen-fixing bacteria. The bacteria live on the plant materials and fix the atmosphere nitrogen. They convert this nitrogen into nitrates. These nitrates are used by the plant उसके बाद nutrition in insectivorous plant. There are a few plant with supplement their inorganic food with organic component. These organic components are obtained by the trapping and digesting insect and small animals. All the insectivorous plant are true autotrophs, but they grow rapidly when they capture prey. The nitrogenous compound of the plant bodies benefit this plant. In some plant, these trapped insects are decomposed by bacteria. In other plants, the leaves secrete enzyme. This enzyme digests the trapped insect and release nitrogenous compound. The plant absorbs this nitrogenous compound. Pitcher plant, Secretia puporia. Its leaves are modified into a sac or a pitchers. This pitcher is partially filled with water. The end of the leaf is modified to form hood. The hood partially covered the open mouth of the pitcher. Small insects fall into the pitcher. The numerous stiffy hairs are the opening of the mouth. This hair prevents the insect from climbing out. The bacteria or enzyme decompose the proteins of the trapped insect. The decay compound are observed in the inner surface of the pitcher leaves. These leaves are bilobed with midrib between them. There is a row of long stiff bristles along the margin of each lobe. When an insect touches a small sensitive hair on the surface of the leaves, the lobes quickly come together. Their bristles interlock the lobes. The gland on the leaf surface secrete enzyme. This enzyme digests the insect. Their product